All right, mister.
Isaac's cat
There's
test.
something very interesting over there. Kitty. What is that? What is it? What is that thing? So the hair on his back is standing up a little. It could be he's never seen one and he doesn't know what it is. It could be he hasn't figured out yet that he would like to eat one. Good girl, Mittens. She's very on edge. Good boy. Does she make you nervous?
Yeah, I don't think he's ever seen one before.
I don't think he has either.
Well, he's been scratched by one.
That could be it too.
Yeah, let's move him out of the corner. It looks like he's trying to hide.
She likes him even though he's not sure about him.
I think he just wants to get away from her.
Here, let me close this because there's cat litter. I know, Boogie. I don't know if you're digging it. Can she freak you out a little? What is that?
Isaac, it's okay, dude. It's okay. We'll protect you.
I know. She's pretty creepy, huh? Mittens, come see him. Where's Stinky? Come see him. Come see him.
Well, and we've done enough of these cat tests that when dogs have a very high prey drive, it's instantaneous. They go in for the kill, and clearly he's not one of those guys, but it's not
I
our
have-
evaluation. So.
I've seen cat tests like that start out like this and end like this, and then we've sent them home, and they say once they get comfortable, especially if it's their first time seeing a cat, that then they get a little more peppy about it, and they end up not liking the cat. But it can go either way. I think this is the first time we've seen a cat, so he.
So.
It's a
Rose is not helping by eating French fries in here and distracting. We should probably do the cat test again.
Kitten.
He saw the cat
Come here,
before I was
Mamas.
eating the fries.
Let's see.
He seems to be getting more comfortable just being in here.
Yeah. And sometimes when they get more comfortable, they get more interested, but I think it's a good sign that the more comfortable he is in here, the less interested he kind of is. He's not as freaked out.
Well, the big thing is that when dogs have high prey drives, it's immediate.
Yeah, right.
Okay, there we go.